Hey Taurus, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. For some of you guys, whoever you were dealing with in the past, and you're like, I know this is my person, but I'm tired of him, I'm tired of her, I'm tired of them putting me through this. I feel like this person is definitely calling you back in because they know that you're their soulmate. At the same time, whatever situation that they put themselves in, they're not happy, which is why they're calling you in. So, yeah, the grass wasn't greener on the other side. Now, for others of you, I feel like you guys have completely removed yourself from someone from the past. You've been putting in the work, you've been healing, and you're just ready for the universe to bring in somebody else. So, yeah, you guys are calling in a new soulmate, okay? You're calling someone in. Oh, and I forgot to say this. Happy Easter for, you guys that celebrate it. Sorry, I meant to mention that in the beginning. Alright, anyway, so let's move on. Alright, second card here is flirt. Extend your lighthearted energy to others. So, yeah, honestly, for some of you guys, dang it. Y'all, this is going two ways. This is definitely going two ways. So, listen, what I was getting ready to say, I'm picking this up strong. It's two ways, y'all. So, listen. Some of you guys are definitely calling in someone new, right? And Spirit is asking you guys to put yourselves out there, and flirt a little bit. For those of you who are like, I want, God, I want the universe, whoever you believe in, to send me someone new. Why isn't this person here? It's like, how can you meet somebody if you don't go out? You don't put yourself out there. Like, unless you're planning on, dating the mailman, UPS, FedEx, you order some stuff from Amazon. Like, what are you doing? Like, I need y'all to put yourselves out there. They're like, look, go out, have fun, flirt, bring that energy in, because I feel like it's just very positive for a lot of you guys. I definitely feel like with the Healing Family Issues card, for those of you that this is resonating with so far, I feel like it's asking you guys to forgive yourself, like forgive family members, just whatever has been going on in your life. There's something that you guys have to let go of in order for you guys to move on. Now, for others of you that was talking about this ex trying to come back, this person is definitely calling you in because they're not happy in their current situation, and it's like, they want to take like this playful approach with you. They definitely want to flirt, just to kind of bring some type of, make things light. They don't want to just jump in like, oh, let me tell you what I did, or what I did, and whatever. They're just like, look, we gotta start over. Let's just date. Let's do this. But whoever you guys were dealing with, I feel like they're trying to heal from some type of family issue. So whether it was like some type of family member that was interfering, or this person had issues with their family, something that was going on that, started in their childhood. If this person has children, they're trying to heal or get something together or get something straight from a situation that took place there. It's like they have to heal in order for them to come in to give you the offer that you deserve. Taurus. That got me preaching today. But yeah, so I'm seeing it go two ways. So yeah, let's go ahead and break this down. Let's just see how, it comes out. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing. Alright, Taurus. Lord. Y'all gonna, making me thirsty. Alright, Spirit. I'm gonna do a general spread for Taurus. What messages do you have for my Taurus? I'm so used to my cards sliding a little bit, but I'm trying to get used to this. Anyway, so bottom of the deck, I have the Seven of Wands. So I'm telling you, for some of you guys who were dealing with someone from the past, this person is trying to clear away obstacles in order to be with you, and that could be the Healing Family Issues that I was mentioning. So yeah, honestly, that's what I got. Let's just go ahead and see. Yeah, look at that. I'm telling you, somebody wants a victory with you. Oh, yeah, Taurus. Look at this. I'm telling you, somebody's going to come in to give you the offer that you deserve. Somebody could be trying to come back to give you some type of gift. Maybe they owe you money. I don't know. Because y'all know y'all don't play about your money. So, let's see. Look at this. Queen of Pentacles. Okay, somebody could be dealing with an earth sign. Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. I I definitely feel like you guys are just focusing on you, your stability. Yeah, y'all are healing. I just heard this. For some of you guys that have been putting in the work, somebody could have received a new job offer, or they're getting ready to receive a new job offer. There's some type of money coming in for you guys. Okay. No, that's right, Taurus. Let's see. Yeah, see, I'm telling you, if this is you guys, you guys are letting it go. I feel like whatever situation that you guys have been put in, it was messing with your head. Like, you guys were just going through it, okay? And now you guys have been healing. You're just letting it go. You're going with the flow. You're moving at your own pace. You're healing, focusing on you, and I love it. This looks good. Yeah, because, see, the person that you were dealing with, this person was really sneaky. And y'all, they need to clean up. They just need to clean themselves up, okay? Y'all, like, I'm not tolerating this nonsense anymore. So I feel like you guys moved on. Could have been dealing with a Cancer, but you guys definitely moved on in order to have stability. Somebody could be dealing with an Aries here. This also could be this person trying to come back to win back your heart, and they know they have to clean up their act, and they do want to move forward with you. So it's like they're trying to come in like the Emperor. They want to offer you stability. They want to offer you everything that you deserve. But maybe this person just doesn't have hope anymore. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius. Yeah. So whoever messed up, guys, they feel like they messed up so bad they can't work things out with you. There is an emphasis on money here. Let me see. Tell me more. See what I'm saying? Somebody's stressing out about money. If it's not you, Taurus, it's the other person that you were dealing with. But I definitely feel like this person wants to give you an offer, but it may have to be a small offer because they feel like they don't have themselves together enough to the point to give you what they feel like you deserve. So let me see what's going on. Tell me more. See what I'm saying? This person, whoever messed up, this person wants to marry you. This person sees himself being with you, wish fulfillment, having a family, the whole nine, but something is going on. See what I'm saying? Could be dealing with a Libra. Somebody could be getting out of some type of legal situation that they want to tell you the truth about. Maybe somebody was married and they're having to get out of that situation, or there could have been like, it's something with money. So it's like either somebody could have been married and they're going through a divorce possibly, where there's a breakup of like the family or some type of home, and this is why this person could be stressing out about money. Because they may have to somebody has to give out money. I don't know why I just heard that. Could be, somebody could have children, they gotta pay child support. It's something like that. Let me see. Tell me about justice in reverse, please. Yeah, somebody's trying to have the strength to come and tell you the truth. Could be dealing with a Leo. More so down for me. Okay. So, somebody could be dealing with a water sign. Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. For some of you guys, it's like somebody could be dealing with like their child's mother, child's father. It's something like that, because there's like some type of third party here. And this person is upset about their money because I'm telling you, somebody has to pay out some type of money. Oh, I don't know who this is for. Okay. If it doesn't have to deal with like another, I'm sorry, y'all, I'm just staring at these cards. Somebody's definitely having to give out money. They've been giving out money. For some of you guys, if it doesn't have anything to do with like a marriage or like child support, this could be a family member, like maybe someone's mother, or just it's a family member here that this person has been financially taken care of, and this has been causing the issue between the two of you. Ooh, Taurus. Yeah, I'm starting to remember y'all readings. You know, I have a really good memory, so I'm starting to remember y'all little readings, you know, a couple months back, and I'm remembering the drama, okay? Y'all been going through it, and I'm starting to see it here a little bit. Well, let's see how this plays out. Okay. So somebody's made a decision. They don't want a new beginning. So Taurus, this could be you not wanting a new beginning with this person because you're tired. Or this could be this person basically making a decision, but they're scared that you don't want a new beginning with them because, yeah, they're trapped in a situation. Somebody feels stuck. And it's like they're not speaking up. Tell me more. See what I'm saying? Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. This could be someone's mother, like I was just mentioning in the way, or some type of motherly figure, child's mother. I mean, anything like that. But there's somebody in the way here. They're interfering. I'm telling y'all, this is the issue. Yeah. Oh, y'all, I'm picking up a lot. Okay, so listen. Somebody could definitely be going to court. There's like some type of legal documents, contract. It's something like that where I'm telling you, somebody is scared that they're not going to have enough money to give you the offer that you want because they have to pay up some type of money or pay out some type of money. And it's like they want to rush in to tell you this, but yeah. Let me see. Lord. What is happening? See what I'm saying? I'm telling you, somebody feels like, I know that whoever this is resonating for, this person made you feel like, it don't make you feel like, you felt left out in the cold, okay? This person ghosted you because I'm telling you, they were trapped in a situation. They felt, so I feel like they had to choose, or it's something like that. Cause yeah, I feel like it's going all different directions. It's a lot of y'all. Somebody's definitely worried about their money. I can tell you that. See? And this is why they're moving slow. This is why they're moving slow to come towards you, because they have to get themselves out of some type of situation, Taurus. See? This person wants to balance things out with you. But they're moving slow because I feel like when they come back in, they're going to give you the offer that you deserve. See what I'm saying? That is a firm offer of commitment. The King of Pentacles is somebody who does not play. Like, they're going to come and give you this offer. Very business-minded. They had their stuff together. But see, maybe this person was playing around. Or if it wasn't like another person they were messing with, it could be a family member where they felt responsible for taking care of this person. And now they put themselves in a situation and they stayed in this way longer than they were supposed to. So now it's like karma is hitting them in their pockets. This person's gonna come back and give you this offer. I don't know if I said it because y'all know I'm on a rant, but could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. Yeah, this person's gonna come back to give you an apology, Taurus. See what I'm saying? Look at this. There's two people here. Y'all know how I feel about my court cards. I don't care if it's, 2 kings, 2 queens, 2 men, 2 women. It doesn't matter. But there's 2 people here. And I feel like this person wants to apologize to you for putting you in some type of third-party situation. But it's like they're not confident. It's like they were unsure who to choose. This person, honestly, that you were dealing with has a hard time speaking their truth. This person, it's like they're sad the way things are playing out because, yeah, they feel stuck. Somebody feels trapped in some type of situation. They're trying their best to get themselves out of it, but they're moving slow because I'm telling you, they want to come back to give you this offer of commitment. See what I'm saying? Could be dealing with a Capricorn, but I'm telling you, somebody has to remove themselves from some type of toxic situation. I feel like, no, that's exactly what it is. I'm sorry, They're going to walk away. Whatever they feel trapped or stuck in, they're going to walk away. But they have to make a decision. You could be dealing with the Gemini. But yeah, this person realized that they didn't bring balance in the situation here. And it's like, they know that you guys are no longer worrying about it. And I feel like they're coming out of being frustrated too. But the thing is, it's like you guys aren't really talking. No one is saying anything. This person may not be speaking their truth to you. Or it's just like, you're like, no, I don't have anything else to say to you. But somebody's not happy. Somebody's not happy in the situation that they put themselves in. They don't have a happy home and they're scared that they're not going to have a happy home with you. But somebody's definitely been talking to someone else because I feel like somebody that they trust, because they want to take this leap to give you this offer. But they're scared if they give you this offer, you're going to turn it down because of everything that they put you through. And they're sad about it.